Snakes have long intrigued our imaginations, with some species growing to incredible lengths and sizes that seem almost mythological. Whether slithering through dense forests or swimming in murky waters, these giants rule their habitats with immense power and agility. Today, we're diving into the world of these colossal reptiles, exploring the 10 biggest snakes on Earth. Number 10. Amethystine python. The amethystine python, also known as the scrub python, is one of the longest snakes in the world and the largest snake species in Australia. It can grow up to 28 feet long, though most individuals are smaller. This non-venomous constrictor gets its name from the iridescent sheen on its scales, which reflect a beautiful amethyst-like shimmer under sunlight. Native to northern Australia, Papua New Guinea, and parts of Indonesia, this python thrives in tropical rainforests, woodlands, and even urban areas. Despite its size, it's an agile climber, often found resting in trees. Its diet consists of birds, bats, and mammals, including small kangaroos. It ambushes prey, using its powerful body to suffocate victims before swallowing them whole. Unlike many other large pythons, the amethystine python is generally not aggressive toward humans, though its size and strength demand respect. Some locals even keep them around to control rodent populations. However, encounters with these giants can still be shocking. As human populations expand, habitat loss threatens their existence, but they remain one of nature's most fascinating and formidable reptiles. Before we continue, check out this incredible image sent in by one of our amazing subscribers. Number 9. Cuban boa. The Cuban boa is the largest snake in the Caribbean, reaching lengths of up to 16 feet and weighing over 60 pounds. This powerful, non-venomous constrictor is endemic to Cuba and plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by controlling rodent and bird populations. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Cuban boa is its unique hunting behavior. Studies have shown that these snakes hunt cooperatively, a rare trait among reptiles. They are known to work together to trap bats in cave entrances, positioning themselves strategically to catch their prey as they fly out. This level of coordination is almost unheard of in snakes, making the Cuban boa an exceptional predator. Despite their size and strength, Cuban boas face threats from habitat destruction and poaching. They are sometimes killed due to fear or hunted for their skin and meat. However, they are not typically aggressive toward humans and will only strike if provoked. With their incredible adaptability and intelligence, these boas remain one of the most fascinating serpents on Earth. Number 8. Boa constrictor. The boa constrictor is one of the most famous snakes in the world, known for its powerful grip and iconic patterned skin. It typically grows between 6 to 13 feet in length, with some exceptional individuals reaching up to 14 feet and weighing over 60 pounds. Native to Central and South America, the boa constrictor thrives in diverse habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid savannas. Unlike many other large snakes, boas are not exclusively ground dwellers. They are also excellent climbers, often found in trees. Their diet consists of birds, lizards, and mammals, which they ambush before constricting with their muscular bodies, cutting off circulation until the prey succumbs. Unlike pythons, boa constrictors give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. A single litter can contain up to 60 baby snakes, each already equipped with the ability to hunt and survive. Though not venomous, they are still formidable predators and, if provoked, can deliver a painful bite. However, they play an important role in their ecosystems, helping control rodent populations. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and the pet trade pose threats to their survival. Number 7. King cobra. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world, reaching lengths of up to 18 feet. Found in the forests of India, Southeast Asia, and southern China, this iconic serpent is feared and respected for its deadly venom and intimidating presence. Unlike other large snakes that rely on constriction, the king cobra is a highly venomous species that injects a neurotoxin capable of shutting down its prey's nervous system, leading to paralysis and death within minutes. One of the most unique aspects of the king cobra is its intelligence. It can recognize and avoid threats, and it rarely bites unless provoked. When threatened, it raises the front third of its body, spreads its hood, and emits a deep, menacing hiss, one of the most chilling warning displays in the animal kingdom. Unlike most snakes, the king cobra is an active hunter and primarily preys on other snakes, including venomous ones like krites and pit vipers. It even builds nests for its eggs, an unusual behavior among snakes, guarding them fiercely until they hatch. Despite its fearsome reputation, habitat destruction, and poaching threaten the king cobra's survival. It remains a symbol of power and mystery in many cultures. Number 6. Black Mamba. The black mamba is one of the most feared snakes in the world, and for good reason. It is the fastest snake on land, capable of slithering at speeds up to 12 miles per hour, and it is also one of the most venomous. Despite its name, the black mamba isn't actually black. Its body is a grayish-brown color, but the inside of its mouth is jet black, which it displays as a warning when threatened. Growing up to 14 feet in length, the black mamba is native to the savannas and rocky hills of sub-Saharan Africa. It is highly agile, capable of moving both on the ground and in trees. Unlike many large snakes that rely on ambush tactics, the black mamba is an active hunter, striking multiple times and injecting its neurotoxic venom, which can kill a human in under 30 minutes if untreated. Despite its deadly reputation, the black mamba is not aggressive unless provoked. It prefers to escape rather than confront threats. However, when cornered, it becomes one of the most dangerous animals on the planet. Number 5. African rock python. The African rock python is the largest snake in Africa and one of the strongest constrictors in the world. It can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 200 pounds, making it a true giant of the snake kingdom. Found across sub-Saharan Africa, this powerful predator thrives in a variety of habitats, from savannas and forests to rocky outcrops and even near human settlements. Unlike venomous snakes that inject toxins, the African rock python relies on brute strength to overpower its prey. It ambushes animals such as antelope, warthogs, and even crocodiles, wrapping its thick, muscular body around them and squeezing until they suffocate. Its flexible jaws allow it to swallow prey several times larger than its head. Despite its fearsome reputation, this python usually avoids humans unless threatened. However, there have been rare cases of attacks, especially in rural areas where encounters are more common. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and hunting have led to population declines in some regions. With its massive size, strength, and stealthy nature, the African rock python remains one of the most formidable snakes on Earth. Number 4. Burmese python. The Burmese python is one of the largest snakes on Earth, reaching lengths of up to 23 feet and weighing over 200 pounds. Native to Southeast Asia, this massive constrictor thrives in tropical forests, marshes, and grasslands. However, it has also become an invasive species in Florida's Everglades, where it poses a major threat to native wildlife. This non-venomous giant is an ambush predator, relying on camouflage to blend into its surroundings before striking its prey. It constricts animals such as deer, birds, and even alligators, squeezing them until they suffocate. Thanks to its highly flexible jaw, the Burmese python can swallow prey much larger than its head. Despite their size and strength, Burmese pythons are generally docile toward humans, which has made them popular in the pet trade. However, as they grow, many owners release them into the wild, leading to ecological problems, especially in Florida. Their populations there have exploded, causing a decline in native species. Whether in their native habitat or as an invasive species, Burmese pythons remain one of the most powerful and fascinating snakes in the world. Number 3. Reticulated python. The reticulated python holds the title of the longest snake in the world, with some individuals growing over 30 feet long. Native to Southeast Asia, this enormous constrictor is found in rainforests, grasslands, and even human-populated areas. Its name comes from its intricate, net-like pattern of black, gold, and brown scales, which provide excellent camouflage. As an apex predator, the reticulated python preys on a wide variety of animals, including birds, rodents, deer, and even primates. Using its incredible strength, it coils around its prey and squeezes with immense pressure until the victim can no longer breathe. Its flexible jaw allows it to swallow prey much larger than its head, sometimes taking hours to fully consume a large meal. Despite its intimidating size, the reticulated python is not typically aggressive toward humans unless threatened. However, rare cases of attacks, even fatal ones, have been reported, especially in regions where humans and large snakes live in close proximity. This species plays a vital role in controlling rodent populations, but habitat loss and hunting for its skin threaten its survival. Its combination of sheer size, power, and adaptability makes it one of the most impressive snakes on Earth. Number 2. Green Anaconda. The green anaconda is the heaviest snake in the world, with some individuals weighing over 500 pounds and reaching lengths of 30 feet or more. Found in the swamps, rivers, and rainforests of South America, particularly in the Amazon basin, this massive snake is perfectly adapted for an aquatic lifestyle. Unlike many large pythons, the green anaconda relies on stealth and power rather than speed. It is an ambush predator, lurking beneath the water's surface with only its nostrils and eyes exposed. When prey such as deer, caimans, capybaras, or even jaguars approaches, the anaconda strikes with lightning speed, coiling around its victim and squeezing with immense force until it suffocates. Then it swallows its prey whole, sometimes taking weeks to digest. Despite its size and strength, the green anaconda is not typically aggressive toward humans. However, myths and legends have long portrayed it as a terrifying man-eater. In reality, its biggest threats come from habitat destruction and hunting for its skin. With its incredible bulk, strength, and semi-aquatic abilities, the green anaconda remains one of the most formidable snakes on the planet. Number 1. Titanoboa. The Titanoboa was the largest snake to ever exist, a true prehistoric monster that ruled the swamps of South America around 60 million years ago. Fossil evidence suggests it reached lengths of 42 to 50 feet and weighed over 2,500 pounds, making it longer than a school bus and heavier than a polar bear. Discovered in the coal mines of Colombia, the Titanoboa lived in a hot, humid rainforest similar to the modern Amazon, but even warmer. As an apex predator, it likely fed on giant fish, turtles, and even early crocodilians. Unlike today's large snakes, which rely on constriction, Titanoboa's sheer size and strength meant it could overpower almost anything in its path. Its discovery has given scientists incredible insights into ancient ecosystems and how climate influenced reptile growth. The warm climate of the Paleocene likely allowed Titanoboa to grow to such massive proportions, as cold-blooded reptiles thrive in hotter environments. Though long extinct, Titanoboa remains a symbol of prehistoric power. If it were alive today, it would be the undisputed king of snakes, dwarfing even the largest anacondas and pythons. Which of these massive serpents surprised you the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. These giant snakes are true marvels of nature, demonstrating the incredible strength and adaptability of the reptile world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating animal content.